Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we'll explore how to use AI tools, specifically Shell GPT, to perform SMTP enumeration. We'll be working within the Kali Linux operating system for this demo. To begin, open your terminal in Kali Linux. Now in the terminal, type the following command: sgpt, then inside double quotes type, perform SMTP enumeration on target IP 10.10.0.15, and then press enter. Shell GPT will now generate several suggestions. You'll see command options including nmap commands and other alternatives. SMTP -user -enum -capital M vrfy -capital U /path /to /user list .txt small t 10.10.0.15. For this demonstration, we'll use the nmap command since it's already installed and working properly on our system. Go ahead and copy the nmap command. nmap -p 25 script SMTP -enum -users 10.10.0.15. Paste it into the terminal window and press enter to execute. You should see output confirming that the host is up and that the SMTP port, typically port 25, has been identified. This demonstrates how to perform SMTP enumeration on a target IP address. If you're using your own IP address, ensure that it's properly connected to your Kali Linux environment and that it is within the same network range. Next, clear the screen by typing clear and pressing enter. Now we'll try another prompt using Shell GPT. In the terminal, type sgpt, inside double quotes type, perform SMTP enumeration on target IP 10.10.0.15 with Metasploit, and then press enter. Previously, we used the nmap command. Now we'll test using Metasploit. Shell GPT will once again suggest multiple command options for this prompt. Before moving forward, clear the screen again. This time, we'll include --shell into the command. Type sgpt -shell inside double quotes type. Perform SMTP enumeration on target IP 10.10.0.15 with Metasploit. Then press enter. Now type capital E to execute. Press enter. Instead of running each command manually, we can copy the suggested prompt, add --shell to run Shell GPT in shell mode, and then execute the entire sequence. We also have a script here. msf console -q -x in double quotes we have. Use auxiliary /scanner /smtp /smtp_enum semicolon. Set our host 10.10.0.15 semicolon run semicolon exit. You will notice that the target host is identified and the scan completes in just a few seconds. In this instance, no SMTP server information was returned. That likely means the SMTP service on the target machine hasn't been configured properly. If your target IP is configured correctly, this prompt will return valuable SMTP server details. You can use Shell GPT for SMTP enumeration by crafting specific prompts and combining it with tools like nmap and Metasploit to enhance your results. And that concludes our demonstration.